Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Trends for Saas niche research. Now first of all go to Google and search your Google Trends and you will see this website trends.google.com. Just open the website and once you open the website you will see an interface like this one. So from this section just click on this explore option, which is the second one, and once you click on explore, so they will ask you to add a search item. Now for us the search item is related to SaaS product, so you can search anything, any keyword which you think you want to search or you want to use for. Let's say I want to use CRM software. Let's say this is my search term that I want to search for, and from the section you can see the results as well. Like this is basically interest over time. You can see this shows the previous results from 6 October to 7 September, which is almost a month data. You can see the competition and the interest as well. Now, if you want to choose the country, just click on it and you can choose worldwide as well. That depends on you. Interest over time, choose like past 12 months or past 5 years. That depends. All categories, if you want to specify the category, that is up to you. Web research, image search, news search, you can just specify it. That depends on you. If you scroll down, like inside the region, you can see like interest by region, like Philippines, St. Helena, United States, UAE, Kenya, like the multiple regions, and you can see the results as well. If I go above, like you can also compare two keywords at a time. Let's say the one term is CRM software, and the second one can be like related to AI, anything related to AI. Let's say AI marketing, maybe. Let's say this is the term that I want to search for, AI marketing. And if you search it, you can see the competition or the comparison between both of these keywords. If you want to add third one, that is your choice. If you scroll down, let me just close this one, remove it, and now we have CRM software one term. If you scroll down, as you can see, related topics as well, evaluation, like this is basically the rising topics. You can go to the top as well, or the rising, that depends on you. You can choose any keyword that you want to use. Related queries as well, best free CRM software, like there are multiple queries, rising and top as well. Now you can use it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can use Google Trends for your SaaS product niche research. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.